Welcome back to Digital Earnings Edge channel. Today, we're exploring various ways you can make money online with Trade Republic. So let's dive right in. Trade Republic is an innovative online broker and a German bank that offers a variety of ways to grow your wealth with owning a bank account with them. The bank account is free to set up and use and offers you a lot of ways to scale your wealth. From trading stocks and ETFs to earning interest on cash and getting cash back on purchases, Trade Republic provides numerous opportunities to make money. How much money can I make using Trade Republic? While this isn't the best idea for becoming rich overnight, it can add a passive income to your bank account. If, for example, you spend €1,000 a month using their Visa card, you will earn €10. If you have €10,000 cash on your account, you will earn another €32 a month. So in a year, you can make around €500 with no added risk. If you want a riskier way to make money, you can invest in stocks, bonds, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies all through the same app of Trade Republic. To start making passive income from Trade Republic, first, you'll need to sign up for an account. For that, you can click the link in the description, download the app, fill in your details, and verify your identity. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes, but is only possible on a phone. After the signing in process, you will be verified and able to upload funds. Before you can start making passive income from Trade Republic, you need to fund your account. Trade Republic offers several funding options, including bank transfers and instant deposits using a credit card or Google Pay. All functionalities of the app become available once you deposit some money using your bank account. This part can take 1 to 3 days depending on your bank. After the first deposit, next deposits from your bank account happen almost instantly. Once your account is set up, you can start exploring all the money-making options Trade Republic offers. I recommend trying to send some money from Trade Republic back to your bank account after you deposit it from your bank account, so you see it works and everything is set up correctly. The first one and the simplest way to make money with Trade Republic is by taking advantage of their high-interest cash account. You can earn 3.75% interest on up to €50,000 you hold in your account, making it a great way to grow your money passively. The money in the cash account can be spent anytime with the card or can be transferred back to your primary cash account. The interests are calculated after each month and are based on the average cash value on your account for the month. Another fantastic feature is the Trade Republic card, which offers 1% cash back on all your purchases. This means you can earn money simply by using their card for your everyday expenses. You can even pay online orders with it and get cash back on everything like buying clothes online, subscriptions for YouTube, Netflix, and others. The more active and risky way of making passive income with Trade Republic is trading. The Trade Republic app allows you to invest in a wide range of stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and bonds. Whether you're interested in individual companies like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla, or diversified funds, there are plenty of options to suit your investment strategy. ETFs are particularly great for beginners due to their diversified nature. If you want to learn more about investment tips and tricks and how to properly analyze a company, subscribe for my future videos. In addition to stocks and ETFs, Trade Republic offers investment options in various bonds, including government and corporate bonds. Bonds can provide steady returns and are a good way to diversify your portfolio. Trade Republic and their frequently asked questions forum ensures that your investments are safe. They offer a money-back guarantee protecting your money up to €100,000 in case the company goes bankrupt. This security feature provides peace of mind and ensures your money is well protected. By using my link in the description to sign up for Trade Republic, you'll receive a special bonus. This could be a free stock, reduced fees, or another exclusive offer. Plus, it supports the channel, allowing me to continue creating valuable content. Making money online with Trade Republic is not only possible, but can be incredibly rewarding. Whether you want to build a passive income stream, save for retirement, or achieve financial independence, Trade Republic has the tools and resources you need. Before making any investments, thorough research is essential, especially with stock trading. Trade Republic provides a comprehensive research section in their app, offering detailed analysis, news updates, and educational resources to help you make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions or tips, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy digital earnings.